Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will share with you about the important documents that you need to apply for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship. So if you're dreaming of studying master's degree in Europe for free with all your travel, tuition and living expenses covered, this video is for you. So watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any of these documents. So I am an Erasmus alumni. I did my master's back in 2020 with M-Plant program, so Erasmus Mundus Masters in Plant Breeding program, and at the moment I am a Marie Curie doctoral student within a rooted network, and I'm based at the University of Tartu in Estonia. So with this, let's move in to our topic today. So the first important document is passport, obviously, and without this, you even can't start the application. So make sure that your passport is ready and valid. So now, after your passport is ready, the another important document is the copy of your bachelor's certificate. And in Erasmus Mundus scholarship, you can also start applying even if you are in the last year of your bachelor's degree. But the important thing is that your copy of transcripts or your certificates should be in English or either can be translated to English. So make sure that you have these documents ready when you are starting to apply for this scholarship. Another important document is a ranking letter. Although this is a very program specific, meaning that some programs may require this while the others may not require this document. But a ranking letter should state your academic standing. For example, maybe like being in top 10% of the class, or maybe you have secured more than 90% of your CGPA. And another important thing is that the document must be issued and stamped by your university. So this is about the ranking letter. In order to apply for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship, you also need to have an English language proficiency, because Erasmus is an international program and all the programs require you to have at least B2 level of English, and IELTS or TOEFL test are accepted as a part of proficiency. However, there are some programs that also accepts the letter from your university which states that the medium of instruction during your bachelor study was English. So this kind of documents could also help to apply help while you are applying for Erasmus Mundus scholarship. But yeah, having IELTS or TOEFL test is definitely a great asset for your successful application. So another important documents are CV and motivation letter. So recently I had made a video explaining about how to make a great CV for Erasmus Mundus scholarship. And regarding the motivation letter, this is again program specific. In some programs they do ask you some questions and you have to answer those questions, which is already a motivation letter. But in some programs you might need to explain why you are interested in that particular program. So this is again program specific, and please check to the program you're applying whether they require an Erasmus like European format CV, or any kind of CV format could also work. So make sure to check that one. So another important document is the certificate of residence. And this document is very important because this proves your current address. And in this document there are three important things that you should mention: your name, your address and the date of issue. And you can make this document from a nearby municipality office, or you can also ask your employer or university for this document. And yeah, like I said, the date of issue is very important because it should be issued within 12 months before the application deadline. So make sure that your document is right and can support your application. And finally, the other important document is the letter of recommendation, or you can also say it as a letter from the referees. And there is no any specific format for this kind of letter, but it is very important that those recommendation letters are written in an official document with the logo of the institution or the document that have the letter head of the university. And one thing to consider while making the recommendation letters is that the letters should be very specific. Like if it's program specific, then the chances of getting selected is higher. But if it's just a general recommendation letter, you might be hurting your chances. So make sure that your recommendation letters are specific to the program that you're applying for. So finally, besides the mandatory documents, you can also always add other relevant documents that can help or boost your chances of getting selected or making a standout from other applications. So these documents could be, let's say, work experiences related document, or also some other kind of languages, maybe some other European languages like German, Dutch, or French, or Spanish, or whatever. So this might also help. And I would say that if you have some kind of volunteering experiences, this is also very helpful. Or certificates from relevant online courses could be helpful. And last not the least, and also very important one, if you have resource publications related documents, this can also help to boost your chances. The application for Erasmus Mundus scholarship usually opens in August or September each year, but this might be program specific. So please check on the official website of the program that you're applying to. And yes, this is a time to prepare all the necessary documents for your application. And good thing is the application for Erasmus Mundus scholarship is totally free, so you can apply without any cost, and you can apply to multiple programs. So my recommendation is that you apply for multiple programs so that your chances of getting selected to at least one of the prestigious program is higher. Yeah, so if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I will leave my email or LinkedIn in the comment section below. So please feel free to write to me. I can definitely help you and get back to your questions. So well, good luck, and use this time brilliantly to prepare for your documents. See you in the next video. Bye bye.